nyo based dun sa bago, after nyo paglabas ng bahay ni Cole?
I mean, ilang
Ilang
percent
percent pa yung mas nakilala mo sa
isa't isa po?
And ano yung mga yun, if you could share something?
For me po, mga 80% pataas, 85%, like that. Kasi po, syempre sa loob ng 1 year, syempre kayo magkasama, pag wala kayong ginagawa, pag wala kayong work, of course, pag meron po kami work together, syempre makikilala niyo yung isa't isa sa pag nag-uusap-usap kayo. Alam niyo po yung pag nag-uusap po kayo sa tao, syempre makikilala niyo yung isa't isa. So, syempre, yung sa minsan na wala lang nakakwentuhan, yung parang chill lang na kwentuhan, minsan doon mo malalaman nyo, ay, meron pala siya ng ganito, meron pala ganito siya ugali. Yun, parang doon ko siya nakukuha na, ganito pala si Domi. Alam niyo po, yun yung parang nagigets ko po siya sa
So mas minahal mo siya ngayon?
Of course po.
No, but yeah, no, I agree with you as well. Maybe up into that 80%, 85% range that we.
Copy mo ko?
No, hindi copy. Tingnan mo, ang explanation ko different. So, it's about that 80-85% more, and it seems like, oh well, it's only been a year. Like, you know, there's no way you guys are. But since we have a problem with communication, our language, we find that it's more important in our relationship than in other relationships that we have a clear communication, that we talk about things, we open up and make sure that each other understand these things para walang misunderstandings, you know? Because
Yes.
even if we have the same language, you can't tell me in a normal relationship that people misunderstand each other, diba?
Yes.
And you have problems or fights, and so we're gonna have those as well. We're gonna have problems and fights, pero we try to make sure that we have clear communication all the time, kahit mahirap yung language. So, yeah, I
Oo,
think.
kasi minsan, di ba, kahit nagkakaintindihan tayo ng usap, hindi rin natin naintindihan yung isa't isa. So, kaya parang kahit meron kami language barrier, so pwede naman pag-aralan yan. So, syempre, ginagawa naman po namin yung unti-unti. Ako naman English, siya naman Tagalog. So, ang problema lang po namin, nakakaintindi naman po kami ng Tagalog and English. Nahihirapan po akong magsalita ng English siya. Nahihirapan siya magsalita ng Tagalog. So, yun po siguro yung mas more pag-practicean o pag-aralan namin. Yes po.
Okay, last po. Ano yung pinaka